As ruggedized equipment progresses from combustion to electric power, ensuring safety measures has become increasingly imperative to prevent injuries. Qorvo's power application controllers for BLDC motor control seamlessly integrate essential hardware components, including 3-phase gate drivers, power management, AFE, and relevant circuitry, providing a complete intelligent motor control solution in a single package. The latest PAC family incorporates safety features including 3-phase inverter braking control, drive disable, cycle-by-cycle current regulating, VDS sensing, enhanced gate drive, sample and hold filtering, and a CAFE Watchdog timer, ensuring system reliability for Class B safety protection. By consolidating numerous capabilities into a compact form factor, this next-gen family replaces as many as 7 discrete ICs and reduces overall solution size and bill of material cost. The high integration and thoughtful product definition enables simple and efficient BLDC designs, enhancing quality and reliability for applications up to 72 volts. To get the latest product information on this and other innovative products from Qorvo, visit qorvo.com.